We are currently at the Lake Forest Oasis. So, nag-stop over kami kasi gusto daw niyang umihi. So, iihi lang kami. And we have matching pink jacket and cardigan.
Huh? What is a cardigan?
This one, what I'm wearing, it's not a jacket. It's called cardigan.
Oh. Hi, cardigan, mommy.
Zoe!
Ah.
All that food. Lake Oasis. Smile, Zoe! Oh, there's trash can. Smile. Cool.
Take a video of the highway.
I'm taking a video of the highway and you. Also cool. So cool. Always in my shot. We got our treats for the road trip, and Zoe has her popcorn. Road trip. Okay, so we arrived here at the public market. This is Zoe and her hat. And we're going to the public
You
market.
mean mommy's hat?
This is it, the public market.
My mommy's hat?
Your hat?
It's your hat, mommy.
Ito kami. Wow, this is so nice, Zoe. Look, it's so industrial. That is industrial.
Is there a platform under the bridge? Under the wooden bridge so it's safe?
We'll find a place to eat. Always smile. You're in Milwaukee.
Walkie. Talkie.
Kaya mag-video sana. Kaso, kaya mga bata na sa kabilang. Tapos humangin ang malakas. Kasi di ba? Mga gamit namin is bigla na lang nilipat. Hindi ako nakapag-video. Pero hindi si Zoe. Zoe, say hi to the vlog.
Bowie, hi to Bowie. I'm Bowie.
That's the nachos. Nachos ni Zoe yan. Tapos ito.
Quick! Quake.
Let's do downtown. Zoe, ay? No more tablet.
Tablet.
Let's do downtown.
Yes, there's downtown.
And this is like...
Down how?
Lower your voice lang. Siyang tumingin. Ano ba yan?
Down, how? How, down, how, down, how?
Ano ko ang sabi mo?
How?
Eh, medyo ko malimlim. May nakikita na ako ulit. Kanina kasi wala.
My motorcycle
Does it move? Oh, it doesn't.
don't ride it suddenly slipping.
Some of us go whip, whipping, whip, 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 whipping, whip, 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 whipping, whip, whip. Wheels on the bus go whip.
Please watch your step when getting off the bus.
Oh no, you're. You found me! Huh?
Start.
Oh, hi.
Hi. Start. Wow. Zoe.
Can you wipe your hands?
What?
Or just keep. Whoa, there's good. I thought the clouds were moving.
Mm-hmm.
The earth is moving.
Don't know. I'm not a plant. So we slide.
That was a dangerous Tarzan.
So that concludes our Milwaukee trip.
Wait.
Our quick trip. So galing kami ng
Quick.
Milwaukee.
Quick means quick.
Galing kami ng Milwaukee Public Market. Ang daming tao. Parang masyado siya nakaka-overwhelm. Sa dami ng tao. Tapos, kumain kami sa may park na malapit dito sa may lake. Sobrang hangin. And then, pumunta kami ng Children's Museum. And then, eto, pauwi na kami. Baka dumaan kami ulit dun sa Oasis. Kasi, kain na lang kami sa Oasis. Para magkakasakit pa ako. Anyways, pauwi na kami. Thank you, bye! Bye. Ang OA.